Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your Samsung SmartThings washer. So what we have here first is the Samsung SmartThings washer. And so you just open it up, and this is where you're going to go ahead and load your clothes. And on the top left here, if you pull this out, this is going to be where you load your laundry detergent. And with it, you also have your fabric softener here, so make sure to follow the lines. You could also use this portion here and also use a powder. But in our case, we're just going to go ahead and use a soap pouch. And with the soap pouch, you simply just throw it in, close it, and this is where the soap pouches are for the soap. And so with each of them, you can just simply place it inside, close it up, and then if you don't have a soap pouch, you can simply just load it into one of these as well.